Welcome back to the channel Car Club, your ultimate destination for in-depth automotive content, where we break down the design, history, performance, and features of the world's most exciting vehicles. Today, we have something truly special, a combination of rugged trucking power and the pinnacle of luxury living, the 2025 Peterbilt Motorhome Truck. This isn't just any motorhome, it's a rolling mansion built on one of the most legendary truck platforms in the industry. In this video, we're going deep into its exterior design, from its sheer size to the intricate details that make it a statement on the road. Then, we'll step inside to explore the interior, where high-end craftsmanship meets cutting-edge technology. You won't want to miss this full breakdown of the 2025 Peterbilt Motorhome Truck. So, buckle up and let's get started. The 2025 Peterbilt Motorhome Truck is built on the robust foundation of a Peterbilt Class 8 truck. This means it carries the commanding presence of a long-haul truck but is transformed into a luxury motorhome that exudes power and elegance. The front end retains the classic Peterbilt DNA but with a refined touch. The large chrome grille with vertical slats gives it an imposing road presence, ensuring it stands out no matter where it goes. The Peterbilt emblem sits proudly at the center, symbolizing the truck's heritage of durability and reliability. The headlights have been upgraded with high-performance LED technology, providing crystal-clear illumination. These adaptive LED headlights not only enhance visibility but also add a futuristic touch to its bold face. Complementing them are integrated LED daytime running lights, wrapping around the edges to create a signature lighting profile. Below, the massive front bumper is reinforced with a mix of aluminum and high-strength steel, designed to handle the toughest road conditions while maintaining an aerodynamic flow. The hood features subtle sculpting, adding to its aggressive yet sophisticated look. Moving to the side, the 2025 Peterbilt Motorhome Truck exhibits an elongated silhouette that stretches beyond 45 feet. Depending on the custom configuration, the aerodynamic shape of the cabin merges seamlessly with the extended body, giving it a streamlined yet commanding stance. The side mirrors are large and aerodynamically optimized, mounted on extended arms to provide a wide field of view. They also include heating elements and auto-dimming features, ensuring clear visibility in all weather conditions. A defining element of the side profile is the custom-built side skirts, which enhance aerodynamics while adding a sleek look. These skirts help in reducing drag, making the massive truck more fuel-efficient on long journeys. The wheel arches house massive 22.5-inch aluminum wheels, wrapped in heavy-duty all-terrain tires. These wheels not only provide durability for long hauls but also add a stylish touch with their polished aluminum finish. At the rear, the 2025 Peterbilt Motorhome Truck features a fully integrated rear cap that blends smoothly with the overall design. Unlike traditional semi-trucks, the rear end of this motorhome is designed with both aesthetics and functionality in mind. The taillights adopt a vertical layout, featuring LED technology that ensures maximum visibility. Below, the rear bumper includes integrated steps for easy access to storage compartments and additional exterior features. A standout element is the rear towing capability, allowing owners to haul additional trailers, off-road vehicles, or even boats. This feature makes the Peterbilt Motorhome Truck a true all-in-one adventure vehicle. The exterior of this motorhome isn't just about aesthetics, it is packed with features that enhance convenience and practicality. There are multiple storage compartments along the sides, providing ample space for tools, camping gear, and other essentials. These compartments are weather-sealed and feature electronic locking systems for security. The power awnings extend automatically, providing shade and shelter when parked. Equipped with LED lighting, these awnings enhance the outdoor living experience, making it perfect for nighttime relaxation. An external entertainment system is another highlight. With built-in waterproof speakers and a large retractable LED TV, owners can enjoy movies or live sports right outside their motorhome. The exterior also features a full utility bay, housing essential hookups for water, electricity, and waste management. Everything is designed for seamless operation, making setting up camp effortless. Stepping inside the 2025 Peterbilt Motorhome Truck, you enter a world of unmatched luxury. Every inch of the interior is designed with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring a perfect blend of comfort, technology, and practicality. Starting at the front, the driver's cabin is a masterpiece of modern trucking technology. The dashboard features a fully digital instrument cluster, providing real-time information on navigation, fuel efficiency, and system diagnostics. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather and features multifunction controls for audio, cruise control, and hands-free communication. The seating is top-tier, with ventilated and massaging captain's chairs, making long journeys feel effortless. Advanced driver assist systems are incorporated, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision avoidance. These technologies enhance safety, ensuring a stress-free driving experience. Beyond the cockpit, the living area showcases the true luxury of this motorhome. The interior layout is designed to maximize space while offering a residential feel. High-end materials like genuine hardwood, Italian leather, and polished marble create an upscale atmosphere. A large entertainment system with a 75-inch OLED TV and surround sound makes this space perfect for relaxation. Smart home features allow voice control for lighting, temperature, and media playback. The kitchen is fully equipped, featuring state-of-the-art appliances. These include an induction cooktop, convection oven, double-door refrigerator, and dishwasher, ensuring a top-tier cooking experience on the road. Premium countertops, ample storage, and a full-size sink with touchless controls make food preparation seamless. There's even a built-in coffee station for gourmet brews anytime. The bedroom rivals luxury hotel suites, with a king-size bed, memory foam mattress, and ambient LED lighting. Surrounding panoramic windows offer breathtaking views, while motorized blackout shades provide privacy. A walk-in closet, complete with cedarwood interiors and ample storage, ensures you have space for all your travel essentials. The bathroom features a full-size rain shower, heated floors, and a marble vanity. Smart mirrors with touchscreen controls allow for weather updates, news, and entertainment while you freshen up. Equipped with 5G connectivity, satellite internet, and an integrated smart control system, the motorhome keeps you connected no matter where you are. Voice commands can adjust climate settings, open storage compartments, or even extend the awnings. Powering this luxury behemoth is a Cummins X15 engine, delivering over 600 horsepower and 2,050 pound-feet of torque. The transmission is an 18-speed automated manual, ensuring smooth shifts for effortless driving. An advanced air suspension system guarantees a comfortable ride, while solar panels and lithium-ion battery storage provide off-grid capabilities. The 2025 Peterbilt Motorhome Truck is the pinnacle of luxury travel, combining the power of a Class 8 truck with the sophistication of a high-end motorhome. From its commanding exterior to its ultra-luxurious interior, this vehicle redefines the concept of adventure. What do you think about this rolling masterpiece? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Club for more in-depth automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.